Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to start next topic of chapter 13, that is surface area and volume. Before this we have studied about cube and cuboid, that is total surface area, lateral surface area and area of four walls for a cuboid, and total surface area, lateral surface area of cube. Today we are going to start cylinder, or we can say right circular cylinder. So in this we have a cylinder, and in this cylinder suppose h is height and r is radius. So its curved surface area or lateral surface area is given by the formula 2 pi r h. Similarly, its total surface area is given by formula 2 pi r and r plus h. And volume of cylinder, it is given by the formula pi r square h, where h means height of the cylinder and r means radius of the cylinder, and value of pi is taken as 22/7 or 3.14. So on the basis of this formula we can start our exercise 13.2. So in exercise 13.2, see question number 1. In question number 1 we have the curved surface area of right circular cylinder of height 14 cm is 88 cm square. Find the diameter of base of the cylinder. So in this question we have given curved surface area of cylinder equal to 88 cm square, and height of this cylinder is given 14 cm. So here we can say that the formula for curved surface area of cylinder, it is given by 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r h is equal to 88 cm square. So here 2 into, on place of pi we can write 22/7 into r into, and h, value of h or height we have given 14. So on place of h we can write 14 cm, that is equal to 88 cm square. Now here we can cancel this 14 by 7 2 times. Now finding value of r, so when we find value of r, this 2 into 22 into 2 will divided by 88. So r equals to 88/2 into 22 into 2. Now we can solve it. So first of all we can cancel this 88 by 2, it will be 44 times. Similarly we can cancel this 44 by 2, it will be 22 times, and 22 will be cancelled by this 22. So here radius will be equal to 1. We have to find diameter of this cylinder. So for finding diameter equals to 2 into radius, and radius is equal to 1 centimeter. So 2 into 1 centimeter. So 2 into 1 will be equal to 2 centimeter. So here we can say that diameter of this cylinder will be equal to 2 centimeter. Now after this, see next question. So after this, see question number 2. In question number 2 we have given, it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. So here we have to make a cylindrical tank with the help of a metal sheet, and we have given diameter of metal sheet 140 centimeter and height of metal sheet 1 meter. So here we have to find that how many square meter of sheet are required for the same. So for making that tank, how much area or how much area we have to find for making this tank. So first of all we have given height of this tank, that is equal to 1 meter, and base diameter equal to 140 centimeter. So we can find radius will be equal to 140/2, that is equal to 70 centimeter. We will convert this 70 centimeter into meter. So 70/100, it will be 0.7 meter. So radius will be equal to 0.7 meter. Now total surface area, so total surface area of cylinder is given by 2 pi r into r plus h. Why we are finding here total surface area? Because in question we have given that it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. So closed cylindrical tank means it is closed at top and bottom. So we have to find its total surface area, that is, it is closed at both the end. Therefore for finding curved total surface area, it is 2 pi r into r plus h. By putting the value 2 into, on place of pi 22/7 into r 0.7 in bracket 0.7 plus 1 meter square. So here 0.7 will cancel by 7, 0.1 time. Here 0.7 plus 1 will be 1.7. So it will be 2 into 22 into 0.1 into 1.7. Now 2 into 22 into 0.1 will be 4.4 into 1.7. So 4.4 into 1.7 will be equal to 7.48 meter square. So we can say that the total sheet required for making a tank will be equal to 7.48 meter square. So this is the answer. Now after this we have to do next question. So in question number 3 and 4 you have to find here. In question number 3, a metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter, outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Find inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area and total surface area. So in this question you have to apply, first of all you have to find inner curved surface area, inner diameter you have given, you can find inner radius, similarly you can find outer radius. First of all you will find inner curved surface area, then outer curved surface area, then total surface area. So in these three parts we have to apply formula and you can do this question. Similarly in question number 4, the diameter of roller is 84 centimeter and length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolution to move once over to level up playground. Find the area of playground in meter square. So first of all you will find its curved surface area, then convert it into meter square, then multiply it by 500 because there are 500 complete revolution. So here you have to do this question by applying curved surface area formula for cylinder. Now after this, see question number 5. So in question number 5 we have a cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface of pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. So here we have given a cylindrical pillar. So in this cylindrical pillar, first of all we have given diameter equals to 50 centimeter and radius. So we can find its radius will be equal to 50 upon 2, that is 25 centimeter. So radius is 25 centimeter and we can convert this centimeter into meter. So 25 upon 100 we can take it as 1 upon 4 meter, and height we have given 3.5 meter. Now we have to paint its curved surface area. So first of all we will find curved surface area of pillar. So curved surface area will be given by 2 pi RH. So here 2 into on place of pi 22 upon 7 into on place of r we can write 1 upon 4 and on place of h 3.5. Now by solving it, this 3.5 will cancel by this 7 0.5 time, and this 4 will cancel by this 2 time, and this 22 will cancel by this 2 11 times. So it will be 11 into 1 into 0.5, it will be equal to 5.5 meter square. This is curved surface area of pillar. Now we have to find cost of painting. We have given that cost of painting 1 meter square will be equal to 12.50. So total cost of painting will be given by 12.50 into 5.5. So 12.50 into 5.5 will be equal to 68.75. So 68.75 rupees is the answer. Now after this, see next question. So after this remaining questions are same, so that you can try. Now see question number 9. So in question number 9 we have to find first the lateral or curved surface area of closed cylindrical petrol storage tank, that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter high. So here we have given a cylindrical tank, that is a closed cylindrical tank. So if we are talking about a closed cylindrical tank, that means it is closed at the top and bottom. So but we have to find its curved surface area or lateral surface area, where diameter is 4.2 meter, so radius will be 2.1 meter, we can divide it by 2, so 2.1 meter, and height is given 4.5 meter. So first of all we have to find curved surface area of cylinder, which is equal to 2 pi RH. So putting value 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.1 into 4.5. Now cancel it by 0.3 time. Now here 2 into 22 into 0.3 into 4.5. So 2 into 22 will be 44 into 0.3 into 4.5. By multiplying all these, it will be equal to 59.4 meter square. So here curved surface area of this petrol storage tank will be equal to 49.4 meter square. Now after this, see its second part. So in second part we have to find how much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. So we can take, first of all, let total steel used be x meter square. We are taking total steel x meter square. So in this x meter square, 1/12 of the steel that was used actually was wasted, and on remaining steel, this total surface area of cylinder was formed. So we can take x equals to 1/12 of x, it is wastage, and this 2 pi r and r plus h, it is total surface area. Why we are using total surface area? Because we have given a closed cylindrical tank. So in closed cylindrical tank we have to use total surface area. So x will be equal to 1/12 x plus 2 pi r plus h. So when we put this 1/12 x with x, so x minus 1/12 x, that is equal to, now putting value, 2 into 22/7 into 2.1 into, on place of r, 2.1 plus 4.5. So by taking LCM, it will be 12x minus x upon 12. So 2 into 22 will be 44 into 0.3, and 2.1 plus 4.5 will be 6.6. Now here it will be 11 upon 12, 12 minus 1 will be 11, so 11 upon 12x equals to 44 into 0.3 into 6.6. Now when we find value of x, so this 12 will multiply with them, so 44 into 0.3 into 6.6 into 12, and this 11 will divide. So 44 divided by 11 4 times. Now 4 into 0.3 into 6.6 into 12, so it will be equal to 95.04 meter square. So we can say that the total steel used will be equal to 95.04 meter square. Now after this, see next question. So after this, see question number 11. In question number 11 we have, the student of Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition for making and decorating pen holders in the shape of cylinder with base using cardboard. Each pen holder was to be of radius 3 cm and height 10.5 cm. The Vidyalaya was to supply the competitor with cardboard. So if there were 35 competitors, so how much cardboard was required to be bought for the competition? So here we have to find the quantity of cardboard that is required to make 35 pen holders, and pen holders are in the shape of cylinder. So when we making pen holder, so here pen holder means that it will be this, it is a type of a pen holder. So in this, it will be open at top and closed at the bottom. So here we have to find the surface area of cylinder that is closed, that means it is curved at, it is open at the top. So here, and closed at the bottom. So radius we have given 3 cm and height we have given 10.5 cm. So area of cardboard required for making one pen holder, so it will be equal to, first of all, curved surface area and plus area of circle. Why we are using this formula? Because we have to find curved surface area, and this bottom, it is cylindrical or circular, so circular bottom, so area of circle will be pi r square. So it will be pi r will be common, so 2h plus r. Now putting value of r, pi and h, so it will be 22/7 into 3, 2 into on value of h will be 10.5 and plus 3. Now solving it, 22 into 3 will be 66/7 into, it will be given by 2 into 10.5 will be 21 and plus 3, so it is 66/7 into 24 centimeter square. So this is the area of cardboard required for making one pen holder, and here they have to make 35 pen holder because total 35 competitors are there. So cardboard required for 35 pen holders will be equal to 66/7 into 24 into 35. So this 35 will be cancelled by this 7 5 times, so 66 into 24 into 5 will be equal to 7920 centimeter square. That means total cardboard required for making 35 pen holder will be equal to 7920 centimeter square. So in this way you can complete this exercise. So it's your homework that you can complete exercise 13.2. And after this, on next session we will start next exercise or next topic, that is related to cone. In that chapter we will in that exercise we will study about cone, total surface area, lateral surface area and curved surface area of the cone. So thank you for watching this video. All of you have a nice day.